My book is visible, right?
Yes.
Okay. Dikshit, I tell you. Okay. See if you have. Yeah, ma'am. Dikshit, you are there?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. With a scale. Okay. Where is my scale? Your math put one. Okay, normally with your A4 whatever print you have taken now, you have to draw the grids. Okay, draw the grids. How you will draw? Measure your scale. Okay, same way measure it. Okay, so one, and then again you will draw the line. So like that, this side and this side you will be, you have to mark your paper also. If exact same page it is there, same way you're going to draw the grids. Okay, this side and this side, and then same thing you're going to draw in the paper also. You have to mark it over this edges and this edges. Okay, the this one, the box will start from 1. Okay, so 1 to 7 it is there, and over here it is 1 to 9. Okay, like that you have to just see and you have to draw. Okay, initially what happens is you have to draw with HP pencil. It has to be light. I have drawn little bit dark so that you should be able to see it. Okay, so what happens is when you do it, okay, there might 60% or 70%, sometimes 80% also it will match. Initially I am telling, okay, the grids are big. How you will draw, you can see this is 5. Okay, the grid, the eye falls on 5. First draw the structure. Okay, the facial structure you have to draw it, the outer layer of it, completely draw it. Okay, the outer layer, cloth, everything you draw, then give the facial features. So from 5 the eye starts. Okay, this side 5 also is there, so inside 5 only it is there. You have to just check it. Eyebrows also coming that way only, so you have to just draw it accordingly. Okay, you can see the eye, just down eyelid, upper eyelid, eyebrow, bindi, and nose and lips I have done. I have not done exactly complete hairline. I have not done, only the topper part of it I have given. Okay, so before you start, you have to make sure that your grids has been erased before you start. Okay, when your picture is done completely, okay, you have to make sure your grids, you have to erase the grids. Face also inside I will erase it. When I am giving the background, okay, at that point of time I will erase backside also. Okay, the background also, grids also I will erase it. First I'll make sure that the grids are erased before I start giving the shadings. I am recording it. Okay, Dikshit, you can just draw this and again you can see and you can follow the steps. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, face only I have erased it. I have not erased the upper part. Okay, hairline also I will erase it. First we will start with the hairline only. Hair is difficult. I will start with the hairline. First thing, you have to draw the hairline with HB. If you see the hairline over here, the bun part, okay, over here, and according to the picture, this side it is going from here and on the top side. When I have taught you to draw the hair, same thing you're going to apply over here, and how the shading is going you have to just see. Okay, first you have to just mark it, later we will shade it accordingly. So I'll see the reference and on top I will do the shading also. With HB only I am doing it. Do it little lightly. You have to shade it also, you have to blend it also with brush only. Mostly use brush, okay, or tissue. Don't use any cotton bud or anything. It will be difficult for you to blend it properly. Here I should erase this grid. Okay. Slightly I will erase the outer part of the grid also, so that I can give the shading properly. இங்கே வைக்காதீங்க, அங்கே போய் வைங்க, இல்லை இந்த டேபிளில் வைங்க. I will get slightly again. Here also some kind of design is there that you can just give. It's not necessary exactly the same way. You can just give it like this, so that it shows that there is some band over here, or clip over there, which has been here. If you see, there is darkness slightly. With HB only I am doing it. Lastly I will draw the extra hairlines and all. Lastly I will give, not now. First I will just, till here I will blend it and I'll show it to you. With brush only, makeup brush only I am doing it. Just blend it smoothly. Once it has been blended, you can use your dark pencil, whichever pencil. I will use 8B, which I have, the darkest one. Okay, I'm using 6B because I don't have the 8B. Again and again the needle is breaking. Okay, you can use the darkest pencil. Give again, when you have blended, give again the same shading. You have to just see the reference also, how it comes. Good. I will blend it again. This time I will blend it with a small brush. I want the last part has to be slightly, it should be more dark. Okay, so I'll focus on that and I will blend it. Here also over the band, okay, the upper part of the band, it has to be more dark. According to the reference, this part it is dark, I will blend it. Here it is dark. So now you have to take the pencil eraser, the point has to be sharper over here in the pencil eraser also. Slightly according to the reference, you have to light lines you have to draw. See, like this it should be. Some 1 or 2 lines over here, it is like this. When we draw over there, that time we will do it again. So after doing this, we should not leave it like this, okay? Just to enhance these lines, okay, these highlights, we have to just draw again. We have to just darken under the highlight, okay? Some the lines what you have done, that we have to draw again lightly, not too dark also. Okay, so this particular part, it is done. Here and all I have to cover it up. Okay, lastly I will check again on the detailing. So here I have done. So same way, this particular area and all I'm going to cover it up, okay, accordingly. So over here, okay, so it starts from this way with HB. From here the okay, this particular part is here only. This hairline also I have marked it, okay, this hairline. And according to the reference only I am doing it. It comes like this, so I am doing the same way. My hand, however, it goes on. Initially not necessary that it will be the same way, okay, as you are getting it, but still you can try. Hair is quite difficult, okay, but these strokes if you learn, it will be easy for you. So only each and every step I'm showing it up. Okay, now from here the line goes like this. Okay, this one, it will join from this. The strokes will take time. Okay, if you see over here and all, it is this way, it is going this way, this hairline, it is coming like this. Okay, so the same way we have also to shade it. Before that we will shade this hairlines. With a very light pressure you have to give. This side you see, it comes from here, it comes like this. This side and all, it is dark only. It comes like this, the hairline. Hairline near the ears also. Here and all it is dark, so first with HB I am shading this side also. This ear, if you see, it is completely dark over here, so slightly I am shading this particular part also. Okay, so this particular thing I have done with HB, so I'll just blend it off, blend it completely. Blending also you have to do the same way as we have done the shading also. Same means the strokes how we have done. So same strokes only you have to do it. Here inside also the means the space is there, right? There also with the brush lightly I am shading it off. Later according to the skin, okay, we will do the shading over there. Any doubts in this? Any doubts still here?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
Okay, then again, same method what you have done for the upper part, same for the lower bun. Okay, there also the hairline, strands, everything you have to give it. You can give 3 shades also. If you are using 6B, then again you can use the 8B, or if you want to, you can use 4B and then you can use the darkest pencil. That also you can do it. Okay, I'm using directly 6B because again I don't have the darkest tone, right? So 6B only 2 times I'm using it. You can use 6B and then you can use 10B, or else you can use 4B and then you can use 8B. The first layer with HP I have done lightly. The second layer, what I am doing, that also I am doing it little lightly. Then I will give the highlights as I have done. If you can see outside also I am taking some hair strands so that it look little real. For the realistic hair, here and there we have to give the hair strands also. It's a loose bun hair, so accordingly we will give the shades. These hair strands and all, that I will do it when I do the skin part. Okay, after that I will do, because here ear also I have to finish, then only these strands also I can give. So I will do the face, okay, and then ears, and then these strands also I will finish. Sharp my pencil. Pencil has to be nicely sharp when you give these strokes. Slightly up. I have given some hair strands over there also. Here and all it is dark, nicely dark. So the half of the ear, it's not shown. It is not visible. It is too dark. So this part I'll make it more dark. Hair strands up and there and all I have lightly done. I'll blend it again. I'll keep just keep any other paper also. Okay, if you keep your hand on the graphite, it will stick, and there are chances that your artwork will get spoiled. So after 1 or 2 hours, you will get the recordings also of this today's complete class. I will edit it immediately. I will set it, edit it, and I will send it to you. I have a channel, in that only I'm uploading it. So you can just see, because I don't have the laptop also over here. I can't send it to you in private, this thing. I will not, unless I will just do it private. It's fine. Sorry, I will do it public only.
Okay.
If you know Tamil, you can see, you can, means if you understand, you can see other artwork also. I have explained that also in that channel.
Ma'am, I can understand only English, Hindi.
Okay. No, I have, in English, I have complete mandala, this thing I have uploaded in that.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I can understand only English, Hindi.
Okay. No, I started with Tamil only. Later, everyone started telling whenever I took classes, okay, you upload whatever you are doing it. So I got to know. Yesterday only I got to know. Means I was just searching everything. I got to know that I can completely record it also with my phone itself. So I am doing it with the other phone.
Okay.
Yeah, so I can upload it. Each and every class, if I upload it, it will be useful for me also.
Exactly.
Today also one class I have done the recording. I will be uploading that also and this also, both. This is done. So we have to make this dark. So first we will give the highlight. And whenever you are giving highlight, the pencil has to be clean. It should not be this way. So it has to be clean. You can use this kind of sharpener. This kind of sharpener. This one. If you sharp it, it comes very neatly. Rather than this sharpener, this is good for only pencils. Okay, if you use most of the eraser part, that will go off. Otherwise, you can use a cutter. That also works on. Mosquito is there. Okay, so I'll give the highlight. If I see this side and all, you can see more of highlights is there. This side and all. So slightly I will do accordingly how it has come. See if there is any other dust over there. Okay, this kind of brush is there, right? Slightly you can take it off from that rather than using your hand. Okay, it will be always helpful, not only for this, any other artwork also. If you have a separate brush, this brush can be used for even acrylic painting also. Mop brush we call it. The lines what you are doing it over here, you have to make sure that it is too thin. So that's the reason it has to be complete sharp. If you feel thick lines is coming, you can again sharp it and accordingly you can do it. You can use even mono eraser. I feel this is better. I have mono eraser, but I feel this is better. Electrical eraser, that will be used for hyper realism mostly. There is no need for this and all. You have to use it for skin texture purposeful. For skin texture, and for this one is there. Pencil color realism is there. That point of time we need that. It will be more useful. This side I have done, so here also I will do it accordingly. I'll sharp it again. It has become dirty, not coming properly. This edges are there, right? That you need this eraser. Do it properly means it will come. Lightly you have to do it. If you give more pressure, definitely even these strokes will be thick and it won't look realistic also. You can see the hairlines, it has come. when we do the highlight part, that's the difficult one. We have to do it very lightly. I'll again arrange the, okay, I have taken it off slightly. Highlight part is done. Again, we have to do the before that I'll just clean my paper. Now you have to give the stroke and make it dark, and then our hair part is done. So this nearby this hairline and all, okay, near wherever we have given the highlight part and all, okay, there and all you have to give more darker. And it should be, if this is the highlight, okay, the down only you have to do, so that you can highlight the blank part, means what you have given it. This is dark here and all, it is dark only. I'll finish the hairline, ma'am. You can just wait. It will be okay, right, for you?
Yes.
Yeah. Because at least if I finish the hair, I will be satisfied also that I have completed this. You have to just follow the instructions which I'm doing it. I'm using 6p as I told you. 2 strokes I will be doing it. So first, what you have to do it, I am doing it with 6p only. So what you have to do it, usually what we do it, 4b. First shade will be hp, second will be 4b, and the last would be the darkest pencil, either 8b or 10b. We have to use it. Previous classes, when the previous class happened, hair stroke, I have explained the same way, so you can just check that also, okay, and you can just practice the same way. Just according to the reference you have to match up, and you have to just do it. Okay, don't see the perfection initially, but just keep on practicing. That's what we needed. From morning I was busy only with my mom and other things and all. Yeah, other shopping also was there, so morning I finished. You can see that this complete hairline, it is taking almost an hour. So it works like this only. So you have to just do the work with little bit of patience. So then it will be fine. Every day you can sit for an hour or half an hour, okay, whatever time you spend. Just make sure you give your complete 100% towards your work so that it comes. Okay, and as my previous classes, I would say that please don't seek for perfection starting itself. You have to practice and then you will seek the perfection also. Okay, but you have to keep on practicing. Very first portrait, it won't come exactly the same way. Yeah, if you try, definitely 60 to 80% it will come. Okay, do the work with patiently. So everything will be step by step, everything will be taught, and everything will be recorded, and everything will be sent to you. So you can just go ahead, see the steps real time, and you can follow these steps also accordingly. So you can see the hairline also what I'm doing it. This is the third time which I'm doing it. Okay, so again you have to do it. The hair means sorry, the second time I'm doing it.
Everything I have
Okay,
explained
again the
previously. If you
strokes and
still have
everything.
anything also, it's fine.
The last
Same way,
time,
everything will be
okay, the
uploaded. You
strokes
will
and
have an
everything.
idea when I
Slightly
share
you will blend
the
it.
details.
Again you will do the highlight part,
Recording.
and again you have to give the darkness. That you have to darker the
If the
detailing
pencil is
part,
not
the
sharp,
textures and all you
even
have to give the
the
hair
detail won't
strokes
come
from the
properly.
beginning. Lastly, we will be covering it up, as I said before also, that we have to shade the face, ears and all, okay, the eyes and everything. That I will be explaining you in the next classes. Okay, so everything has to be done step by step. So you can just do it. Okay, you can just have an hour of yours for the drawing part.
So extra hair and all, lastly we can do slightly when we erase the grid and all that, we can do it extra hairline and the ear part and all. So next class I will be explaining this shading face completely. That also next class I will share you the recording, not to worry. Okay, if you are not attending also it's fine completely. I'll send you the recordings.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Any doubt, ma'am, for the hair? So you can see that for the hairline itself, the class took 1 hour.
Yes.
It
No,
will.
no doubts. No
Oh,
any doubts.
okay, so here also you can just highlight the band, and the upper part of it you can just darken it so that it looks like a band completely. Okay, ma'am. So I'll upload it and I'll send the link completely in the group.
ठीक है ma'am.
Oh,
Thank you.
okay, ma'am. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Yeah. Bye.